Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be learning how to model this flag. I don't think we're breaking any federal law here by modeling a flag because I already checked the internet and there is no country with this particular flag. So I just went ahead and just used my creative skill to pick random colors and we have this. So if this is what you want to learn, keep watching. We're going to make the flag float in a free space like this. So I'm going to make sure to go very slow. This tutorial is absolutely beginner friendly. If you do your best to follow, at the end of the day you'll be able to do this. So let's jump in. Want to go shift A, add in a plane, tap into edit mode, right click and go subdivide. Make number of cuts 18. 18 should be fine. And with everything selected, RX90 and press enter. One shift alt select the top vertices and we want to create a group and want to call this group pin. So assign the pin, you assign that group and tap back out, go to your physics and give it a cloth. Then you want to go down to shape and select that group that we assigned, which is pin. Then what we want to do next is in your frame one, you want to press the space bar and see nothing is happening, which is okay, very normal, completely normal. There is no gravity in sight. So we want to go and add in a wind. So go GX, move it like that. In your front photographic view, you can rotate it to face the flag like that. Okay, so what I want to do now is with the force field, go to your physics property and give it a strength of 500. And that should be all. Yeah, that's all we need to do. Just leave the other settings the way they are. Then you want to come here now and press your space button and say nothing is happening because the wind is directly facing the flag. So we might need to rotate this. Let's go to our top photographic view and rotate the flag a little bit like that. And let's see, I think there should be more interaction now. So you want to go to your frame one and then press the spacebar, and then you see the interaction between the wind and the flag. Right now, the flag is um, is stationed at the z-axis up at the top. So other part is just floating. But what we want to do is we need to rotate this flag. So we're gonna press RY90 to rotate it on the y-axis and then apply the scale, and let's play it and see. You see that floating from the it's floating from this axis, and the static part, the part that is stagnant, is not horizontal, it's vertical. But we want it to be at the left hand side. So what we want to do now is press the RZ 180 degrees and press enter. So it rotates it. So when you press play, it will apply the scale, and when you press play, it will be on the left hand side. So this is what we want to get. So right now you see that there's this squarey pattern in the mesh. To fix that, you can right click and just shade smooth, but we're not gonna do that right now. We want to add in a flagpole, something to hold the flag. I want to add in a flagpole, so go ahead and add in. In fact, before we do that, just tap back in. We need to do something else. We need to do it from this being in edit mode. So shift A, go to your mesh option and add in a cylinder. In fact, we don't really need this flagpole. We might as well just ignore the flagpole and go ahead because we want the